are Cottonex Fashions. Our journey started in 2018 in the woven garments division of Bangladesh's blossoming apparel industry. The factory is located in Kalurghat, known as the industrial area in the port city of Chittagong. Less than 20 kilometers away from Chittagong port, the 9-storied building has a floor space of over 100,000 square feet. At present, the factory is fully functional with 300 of the finest sewing units. Our target is to expand our operations to 900 units by September 2019. And by 2020, we hope to achieve a yearly production capacity of 5 million pieces of garments. At Cottonex Fashions, we maintain a standard of clothing for European consumers. To do so, we import the latest technology directly from top-class manufacturers of Europe, Japan, and China. Our aim is to make a difference in the thousands of lives we touch, and that is why we place the highest commitment in the safety and security of our workers. Our factory is 100% compliant with the building code and fully equipped to combat any potential fire situation. Keeping the compliance factor in mind, we have designed our factory building specifically to keep the utility section and operational area separate. Our initial SEDEX audit is complete and we are now monitoring regular improvement. By early July, we target to complete the BSCI audit. These values of compliance and workers' welfare are the core fundamentals of our highly experienced management board. These fundamentals are the teachings of our chairman, Mr. Ekramul Haq, one of the pioneers of the RMG export industry in the country. Under his leadership, we look forward to making a big contribution to the economy of Bangladesh. At Cottonex Fashions, we believe in inclusive growth, creating wealth not only for us, but also for the country and its people. And that is our motto.